Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. To remove the air filter, you must first remove the airbox. Release the air inlet conduit by pushing on the two maintaining spurs. With a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two holding spurs on the airbox. Lightly lift the airbox, then disconnect the breather hose located under it before removing it completely. Remember to disconnect the cable held on the hook under the airbox. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 11 holding screws on the airbox flange. Open the flange and remove the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter back in the airbox. Replace the flange and rescrew the 11 holding screws. Put the cable back onto the airbox hook. Reconnect the breather hose and place the airbox back into its housing. Then screw the two maintaining screws back in. Finish by reinserting the air inlet conduit into the airbox. Operation completed.